Today, we are diving deep into the world of networking, specifically the Juniper network product families. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into the world of networking, specifically the Juniper network product families. Whether you are a network engineer, IT manager, or simply curious about which product might suit your needs, you are in the right place. In this video, we will break down Juniper product lines, comparing their functions, performance, price rating, and specific use cases. By the end of this video, you should have a solid understanding of what Juniper products offers and which product family is best for your solution. Now, if you have ever worked in networking, you've probably heard of Juniper Networks. They've been around since 1996, specializing in network solutions from routing and switching to security and SD-WAN. Their portfolio is extensive, so today I will be comparing some of their key product families. We will begin with MX series, which is Universal Routing Platforms. The MX series is all about versatility. These routers are designed for service providers and large enterprises, offering advanced routing, switching, security, and service capabilities. Think of it as the backbone for carrier-grade networks, data centers, and cloud providers. When it comes to performance, the MX series scales to meet your needs. You've got entry-level models like MX104 for smaller operations, and then there are heavyweights like MX2020 which can handle massive, high-performance networks. We are talking multi-terabit switching capacity and series throughput with advanced SD-N net support. Now for the price, this can vary a lot. Models like MX204 fall into the mid to high price range, while larger models like MX10008 and MX2020 are more on the premium end. Typical use case, they are used in service providers, great for edge core, aggregation, routing in multi-service environments, and large enterprises, ideal if you've got high traffic demands or are running multi-cloud setups. In data centers, if you need to handle complex routing at cloud scale, the MX series has you covered. Juniper PTX series, packet transport routers. The PTX series is built for serious performance, particularly for service providers. These routers support large-scale IP/MPLS routing, and they are made to be backbone of infrastructure for ISPs, carriers, and cloud service providers. Performance-wise, the PTX series is all about extreme scalability. We are talking multi-terabit switching capacity, low latency, and enough horsepower to handle global network backbones and interconnect massive data centers. High port density and powerful optical networking, like what you will see in models like the PTX 10003 and PTX 10008, are the name of the game here. Pricing is on the higher end, given its carrier-grade capabilities, but if you need top-tier performance, it's worth it. As I mentioned earlier, the use cases is in telecom providers, for core and edge routing for large and national or international networks, for cloud providers, high throughput routing between data centers, and ISPs. If you're handling huge amount of traffic across wide areas, then PTX series can handle it. Juniper ACX series, access and aggregation routers. The ACX series routers are made for access and aggregation in metro and enterprise networks. They are perfect for tasks like mobile backhaul, business services, and WAN connectivity, with features like MPLS, Layer 2, Layer 3 VPN, and segment routing. In terms of performance, these routers focus on efficient service aggregation and metro networking. The ACX 710, for example, can push up to 1.2 terabits of throughput, and you've got options for both fixed and modular configurations. Price-wise, the ACX series lands in the mid-range, making it a solid choice if you need a strong routing power without breaking the bank. Juniper CTP series, circuit to packet platforms. CTP series is designed for industries transitioning from legacy circuit-based network like TDM to modern IP networks. It's commonly used in critical industries like utilities, defense, and telecoms where precise timing is crucial. Performance-wise, CTP platforms excel in providing low latency, reliable transmission for time-sensitive traffic such as voice, video, and telemetry data. If you need high availability and redundancy, the CTP series has you covered. As for pricing, it typically falls in mid to high range depending on the setup. Juniper EX series Ethernet switches. The EX series Ethernet switches offer flexible networking solution for all sorts of environments, from data centers to branch offices. They are known for reliability and ease of deployment thanks to Junos OS. In terms of performance, the EX series covers everything from gigabit Ethernet to 100 gigabit Ethernet with high density options like the EX 4650 offering up to 1.8 terabits of switching capacity. So whether you need to manage a small office or a complex enterprise environment, there is an EX for you. Entry-level models like the EX 2300 are great for smaller setups, while the high-end EX 9250 is built for serious performance. Juniper SRX series security gateways. The SRX series is Juniper's security-focused platform, combining routing, switching, and security all in once. These devices offer firewall, intrusion prevention, VPN, and UTM capabilities, making them super scalable whether you are a small branch office or a massive data center. Performance varies depending on the model. For example, the SRX 300 is designed for small offices, while SRX 5800 can handle over 1 terabits of firewall throughput, perfect for large enterprises or service providers. In terms of pricing, the SRX series ranges from affordable with models like SRX 300 to premium with SRX 5800. Juniper NFX series network services platforms. The NFX series is all about virtualizing network services at the customer edge. Instead of having separate hardware for different functions, the NFX series allows you to deploy everything through software. It's like having one device that can do it all: routing, security, SD-WAN services, thanks to its ability to host multiple virtual network functions. When it comes to performance, these platforms are all about high-performance virtualization. You can deploy new services fast without needing new hardware. It's perfect for enterprises or service providers looking to streamline operations. Pricing is in the mid to high range, depending on the number of VNFs and the scale of your deployment. It's more expensive than traditional routers, but gives you more flexibility. Juniper Mist AI cloud-based wireless solution. Mist AI is Juniper's take on smart, cloud-managed wireless networks. These access points are powered by artificial intelligence, which means they can self-optimize and troubleshoot issues automatically. It's perfect for large campuses, offices, or even hospitals where you need reliable, high-performance wireless connectivity. Performance-wise, Mist AI uses machine learning to ensure everything runs smoothly, and it can handle anything from simple wireless access to more advanced features like location tracking and detailed analytics. Pricing tends to be in the mid to high range because of the advanced AI-driven features and the convenience of cloud management. Juniper Session Smart Router or SSR. The Session Smart Router is Juniper's next-gen SD-WAN solution. It's built around session-based architecture, meaning it can steer traffic intelligently and optimize network performance in real time. If you need secure, application-aware routing, this is a tool for the job. Performance is top-notch, especially when it comes to application visibility, security, and traffic optimization. It's perfect for environments where traffic is complex or heavily reliant on cloud services, with features like zero trust networking or dynamic path selection. Pricing is mid to high, depending on your deployment scale, but you are getting a lot of advanced SD-WAN features for the cost. JRR200 Route Reflector Appliance. The JRR200 is a specialized tool for simplifying BGP scaling in large, complex networks. It's designed for environments with large-scale BGP routing tables and makes it easier to manage routing information without needing a full mesh configuration between routers. Performance-wise, the JRR200 offers high availability and efficiency, especially in large enterprises and service provider networks where managing large amount of BGP traffic is essential. Pricing is in the mid-range and offers a cost-effective solution for BGP route reflection in large networks. So there you have it. Juniper Networks offers a range of powerful products, each catering to different parts of your network infrastructure. Whether you need edge routing, enterprise switching, advanced security, or data center switching, Juniper has a solution. The key is to identify your specific needs, whether it's performance, scalability, or security, and match to the right product family. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. Let me know in the comments which Juniper products you think would suit your needs best, or if you have any question about what we covered today. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.